Hello and welcome to another episode of FPL Scanner, only on Mavzone Sports. We are at the midpoint of the Premier League season with Game Week 19 starting today. The title race is heating up with Manchester United vying for top spot of the league. What about the teams you support? Hope they catch up too. First, let's have a look at my team's performance for Game Week 18. This was a special game week which required the use of the free hit chip to maximize the points return. I ended this week with 49 points, but I hoped I made at least 60. But in the end, it was a favorable one, with some places gained on the leaderboard. Overall, it was a quiet game with the best individual score of 11 making into the team of the week. Well, that's done for now. So, let's switch our focus onto game week 19. This is another special game week with a total of 15 games to be played and a number of teams involved in double fixtures for game week 19. You would want to have most of the players from these teams to stand up a chance of scoring big. The choices we make gives us an opportunity of having each player in the lineup as a potential captain. Based on my predictions, I have shortlisted 3 clubs who have the potential to come out with maximum points this week. But will they also translate into maximum points return on the Fantasy Premier League? Let's hope so. City have been goal shy recently, but they guarantee 2 wins surely. You can also look at West Ham for 2 clean sheets. Leicester, on the other hand, comes with all or none potential. I am hoping they come out on the top. My team that goes into Game Week 19 is the one that featured in Game Week 17, as I had a free hit chip used for Game Week 18. I have a solid lineup, but missing out on Bruno Fernandes. Well, I didn't miss him in my team last week. For this week, I have one free transfer available to me and £0.5 in the bank to fund the transfer. I have decided to go with a 3-5-2 lineup for this game week. I have selected Leeds midfielder Rafinha to make way for incoming transfer. I would have preferred to transfer out Wijnaldum, but the double games made me choose otherwise. Considering the budget at hand, I feel it's time finally to get the West Ham midfielder Thomas Suchek into my lineup. He has been a player in form recently, and the double games this week certainly add some value to him. My pick for the captain's armband this week is the Manchester City midfielder Kevin De Bruyne. I have relied upon him heavily over the past few weeks, and I hope he finally repays me with some big returns. I have also decided to activate the triple captainship for this game week. Let's see if I'm able to break the 100 points barrier. This might turn out to be the make or break game week for me. Now for some transfer tips. The Tottenham duo of Son and Harry Kane hold high value despite the single game this week. These two have become somewhat of a backbone for my lineup. They have the potential of delivering more points than what some other players can manage in 2 games. So, if I were you, I would hold on to them. Jamie Vardy is the most consistent challenger to the Golden Boot every season, and in a game week involving 2 games, he is definitely an enticing prospect. He has had some injury scares recently, but hope he features in both and scores big. If you have the budget to get him, I suggest go for it. Kevin De Bruyne is my choice of player for Game Week 19, with me also activating the triple captainship in his favor. If you have both Salah and Fernandes in your team, you might consider swapping one for De Bruyne into your team. That depends on who you think will come out on top. For a budget midfielder, Thomas Suchek has become the second most transferred in player for Game Week 19. At 5.3, he holds great value and has already displayed some great performances this season. He has already scored 5 goals and collected a total of 75 FPL points this season. The biggest game of this week will decide who is the favorite for this year's Premier League title. The game is so massive, and the form of each team suggests that it could go either way. The game may end in a stalemate, effectively reducing the points return for players from both Liverpool and Manchester United. The Red Devils have been grinding out results recently, with not so attractive fantasy points return. Also remember that the double fixtures for many teams offer us the unique opportunity to activate the triple captainship. I have gone for mine. What about you? Please write in the comment box below. Finally, for some injury doubts for Game Week 19. Dominic Calvert-Lewin is out injured and will not be featuring this week. In fact, if you have any Everton players, please make note that they are not involved in this busy game week at all. Anthony Martial suffered a muscle injury following the game week 18 and may miss out on the all-important game against Liverpool. Also, Aymeric Laporte is also doubtful for the next few games for City. That's it for Game Week 19. Thank you for watching this episode. If you like my contents, please subscribe my channel. You can also find my channel by typing in Mavzone Sports on the search window. Good luck to you guys. Stay safe and see you soon.